Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Triumph and I'm here in the warehouse as usual, taking a look amongst all the boxes to see what is back in stock for your classic Triumph motorcycles this week. So let's take a look and see what I managed to find. First up, part number 607508/9. That's the petrol taps for the left hand reserve and right hand main angled 90-degree fuel tap. They're sold as a pair and you can get these for £82.20 including VAT. We've got the rear master cylinder barrel assembly. That's part number 065776/1 is £100.74 including VAT. And finally the spark plug from Champion, the N5C fitting, that is part number 607237 is £4.74 including VAT. And if there's anything I've not mentioned but you'd like to know if it's available for your bike, you can check out the Andover Triumph website. That is linked in the section below. And while you're on there as well, you can even set yourself a reminder so when an item does come back in stock for your bike, you can get an email sent to you so that you'll know that it's available again for you to buy right now. Right, anyway, thanks ever so much for watching this time, and until next week, safe riding.